Okay. So Olumide said he's joining soon. He's joining now. So
I've already sent a message trying to mail to everybody that registered them.
okay.
Very just send. So I've sent uh, mail to everybody that registered and then we should have more people joining.
Okay.
Use
Okay.
yeah,
So in a
also
few minutes,
have
people should be joining in.
that I've received a copy of that.
Okay. Is what an point? Usala, come and join this culture. Nobody join the call. How come? Joe, come and join this. I said this to you. We need people. Hey, why don't you TV?
Nobody has your time.
Even your will wà láyé yìí.
Mine was that woman that you invited. Now end that. Then like, wait, am I visible to others?
Oh yeah, I've sent link to you, Joe. Yeah, ẹ gbé laptop mi jáde. Ẹ join. Mọ́sálásí link tí mo send sí ẹ náà. Nobody.
Is it Teams I'm to join?
Yeah, Teams, just join on the web.
Whenever you click on a link, does it take you to Samsung internet?
You change it later.
Hmm?
You change it later.
Lumid days around, so just wait for about 5 more minutes and then just start up and then Lumide
Click
can
on
have
view
his session.
anonymous level, something like that.
This is anonymous.
Okay, welcome, Olumide.
Okay, well, everyone will come up.
Bring your phone. Bring your phone and your tab. Everything. Everything. Connect everything to Wi-Fi. Bring your phone. The guest speaker is online. It's only one person. She everything.
Battery low.
So should start. So we have somebody else. So we should try. Good afternoon, Mr. Gary. So we are waiting for the next person or that given our facilitator. I think now issues with next slide. So we just hold on for it and then I'll start. Okay, so somebody is asking how to join. So, uh, I'll just
Unlock.
quickly answer that. So somebody is asking how to join. I'll just quickly go and start. Initially, I'll just
I can barely hear you, Israel.
okay.
MS, bring it.
Come on, girl.
MSP bit.ly slash
Bit
bit.ly slash capital letter MSPB Beyond B small letter Beyond EYOND capital letter C then coding. That's it.
Join meeting, Abi.
So go to desktop app.
Then on web.
Yes. Then mute your microphone and camera. Okay, so a few more people are joining and we should be starting very soon. Please just hold on and bear with us.
Okay,
Oh,
so I think I'm back now. I quickly switched from my system to my phone to my system. There was no light before, right?
awesome.
So, um, yeah. So I think I will just quickly reply the person that needs the link on Meetup, and then I'll introduce Olumide, and then we can start. The others can as well join us. All right,
Okay.
cool.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay, all right. So let me just get the link across to that person, and then we can start. Uh, ish.
Sir Steve, your camera is on.
Okay, let me off it.
Yeah, please.
1 minute. Is he off?
Yeah, yeah, awesome.
Hello?
Awesome, it's off.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon. We'll be starting soon. So just hold on, please, and sit tight.
Okay.
All right. So I'll start recording, and then Damilola will take over from me. Uh,
Do you know
so
what
let
I'll
me just.
do? I don't
All
want
right.
people
So
to see
I
this
started
background.
recording. Damilola, please let's start.
So this is what I do.
Okay, awesome. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon in Nigerian time, everyone. Welcome to another
Use a
episode of
Microsoft meeting.
Beyond. Sir Steve, can you please mute your microphone?
I've
Welcome
already muted.
to. No, okay, thank you. Welcome to another episode of Beyond Coding. Beyond Coding has been running for the past few weeks, and we've been educating and informating people about Microsoft technologies and also teaching them about things aside from coding or programming. So we've been teaching about things like preparing for interviews, to web hacking literacy, to going into research, and a lot of topics like that. And this week, we are going to be doing something similar to that, whereby we have two speakers. One will be talking on Microsoft technology, and the other will be charging us on something very, very awesome. So our first speaker for today is Olumide Ogudare. Olumide Ogudare is a Microsoft student partner, a gold Microsoft student partner. That's like the caps of student partners, and is going to be talking to us today. So, Olumide, are you there?
Um, Hi Damilola, can you
Yeah,
hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Also, I just
Great.
wanted to check if you are still here. So, Olumide will be talking to us on building chatbots using Azure. So, over to you, boss.
All right, thank you, Damilola. Just one final confirmation. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, good. All right, thank you very much. So, hi everyone. It's great to be part of this session today. I'll try to be as brief as possible, as I know I don't have enough time. Yeah, today I'll be talking about building bots using Azure. As you can see, the Azure bot service. So, yeah, Olumide Ogundare. I'm a Microsoft student partner, as they have said. I'm also a Microsoft certified trainer and Azure AI engineer. I love building AI solutions, working with AI to solve local problems. And you can find my LinkedIn and Twitter link there. So I would like to quickly jump into what we are going to be doing today. So basically today we'll be getting started with the bot framework and yeah, just building a simple
So, network
project.
happens at
Yeah.
times.
So what is a bot? I think it is
I
important
need to
I
log before
explain
today.
what a bot
That is
is,
cool.
the components of a bot, what you need to build a bot before we start writing code or something. I think that is really important so that when we start diving into building the bots, you will understand the various components and what consists a bot. So basically, in our day-to-day tasks, day-to-day activities, we do a lot of tasks, and some of those tasks are repetitive. Some of those tasks take a while. Some of those tasks take humans to be on hands-on on something for hours. So bots are actually used to automate those kind of tasks where you instead of you having a human doing them, you can just have a bot helping you to do all those things. But really, for you to be able to use bots to build stuff, actually to do complex tasks, you need the bot to be intelligent. And yeah, one of those things I'll be learning today. So that's pretty much what you use a bot to do to perform basic tasks. So yeah, we learn technology, we use technology to do a lot of things that we do, but it's important that we understand technology and even use it to our advantage. Get it to learn about us, um, learn how we answer questions, coordinate things, observe things, listen to people, basic human characteristics. We should allow a bot to learn all those things from us so that we can have a bot as a personal assistant. Really. Yeah, over the years, there have been a lot of switch into conversational AI. A lot of people are now more comfortable chatting than going to a website.
Hmm?
A lot of people are more comfortable having to go somewhere to resolve an issue where you can just use the normal chat to do that. And
Okay, so
that's
just
why
set
it is
it.
important that we also switch with this current trend happening. Screen the dialogue here, you can see the picture showing chat, right? It's just the dialogue is just the UI you see, the interface between the bot and the user, and that's basically what dialogue is. Dialogue is when it asks you a question and you reply, all those things you see as the dialogue interacts with the user, as the bot interacts with the user. That's dialogue. Then the intent is basically the bot's way of understanding what you are saying. So first off, when you want to do something like I would like to book a flight, it's just a statement, right? And by default, in a garbage in garbage out system, your bot will not be able to understand that. But you need to add that intelligence into the bot, and intelligence works by you getting the intent from what the person is saying. So in the case of I would like to book a flight, the intent is book flights, and you can actually use some third party services like Louis to understand what the person is talking about. So that intelligence is important in a bot, and we'll be talking about how you can add intelligence to a bot later on. There is the entity. The entity is just the naming words in a conversation, and of course, there are keywords, right? So, for example,